Hey everybody, welcome to the Museum of Illusions. Thank you very much to the Museum of Illusions for having Bret and I here to check out the exhibits and show you guys this really awesome place.
I'm here. I'm not an illusion. Whoa, you're like going through me.
I don't know, man. I'm not convinced. So let's check it out. So we've got this curved space here and this straight rod. You said rod. Yeah, obviously it can't fit through here because it's straight, right? Now, normally I want to avoid moire patterns when I'm shooting. Really? Hello? Yeah, I'm kind of busy right now. I'm hanging out at the Museum of Illusions. Yeah, we'll get together later, okay? Okay, bye.
Dude, what are you doing?
I'm climbing up the wall.
You can walk.
Oh. Which one's larger? This one or this one? Well, Bret, what do you think?
I think this one.
Really?
Yeah, it's obviously bigger.
No, do you still think so?
Yeah, I mean, look at it. Oh my God. No way.
So, you got two boxes here. Now, obviously, this illusion must work differently, right? This one is obviously longer.
Yeah, let's try with that one first.
All right, so these line up.
Perfect. All right.
But this one, I mean,
It's too wide. No. No. No way.
you know, 16 by 9 does this too. When you go vertical, it looks way narrower than it does like this, but it's the same aspect. I'm looking at the screen. It's the same aspect ratio. Weird. So here's a box. Hold on, I'm getting a glare. I'm going to reframe this. I'm going to come over here and just get a better, what? Wait, what? Okay, here's the box. I'm going to get a better shot of the box just by moving over to this side. Okay. Pretty sure it was a box. Huh, look at that. This one's kind of traditional, but it still works. I mean, all those lines are straight, although technically all lines are straight, but it looks curved. I got a feeling someone is watching me.
That's going to be copyrighted.
You know, we've always said that Bret has a split personality, but...
I am flying away.
Whoa! So, Bret, try jumping. Wait. No, never mind, go ahead.
Hey Dave, what do you give the Museum of Illusion?
I gave it 2 thumbs up. No, 4 thumbs up.
Whoa.
Look, check out my forearms. Any last words, Bret?
Bon appetit.
All right. All right, so let's see what years of Halloween Horror Nights experience does. It does. It is the This is the upgraded one that we saw at IAPA. Normally these don't get me, but they've done something to upgrade this where it does affect me like it did when I first tried it, because even though, yeah, this one's a good one. Now, it's probably better to see this in person, but looks like a flat image, right? No big deal. But it isn't. So, I'm really enjoying this new camera. It's really cool, but I kind of want another one, or maybe 2 or 3 of them. So I'm like, it's going to be kind of hard to afford that, and it takes a while to ship. So I had an idea. I'll just make more of them. Lots more. Got one over here.
Whoa! Hey, I'm there.
Got one over here. I mean, I got these Sonys all over the place, complete with a tripod and another me to shoot, another Bret to shoot. Like, don't kick the tripod.
Right there? That's you.
This is such a great solution. I don't know why I didn't do this before. Thanks to the Museum of Illusions, there's now plenty of us to go around, shoot multiple places, and be home editing at the same time. And one of us could be walking Stella. It's great. Whoa. How did you get so small? Whoa.
Whoa! How did you get so small?
What are you talking about? So, sorry for the camera in the shot. This is called a true mirror. It shows you what people see when they look at you instead of a mirror which usually doesn't reflect you properly. So, when people look at me, this is what they say. Oh God, sorry for everyone who has to look at me, because, oh, no, enough, I'm done. I might be small and scrawny, but I'm drinking milk. And one day I'm going to be big and tall, just like you.
Oh no, I'm shrinking.
Whoa! Whoa! Oh!
What? We're
Huh?
not small. We're not big anymore.
No.
Let's go.
Even when you're looking at it from the not perfect perspective, I find that it's really difficult to explain how the room works. You just have to be here. So, say you have one Rode Wireless Go and you want multiple. So, here's how. I hope you enjoyed a look at the Museum of Illusions here in Orlando, now obviously open. What did you think of it?
It was awesome, obviously. I mean, illusion.
I've always been interested in optical illusions, and of course, you see the classics here, but most of them are illusions I've never seen before, and even if you have seen them, to see them in person is
Pretty cool.
yeah, it's way different. So if you come to Orlando, it's very, very close to Universal, not that far from Disney or SeaWorld.
At the Icon, basically.
Yes.
Or
Icon Park,
Coke Icon.
where the skeletons used to live.
The skeleton place is no longer here.
It's extinct.
It's extinct like
But-
the skeleton.
But thanks for watching this video all the way through, and please exit through the gift shop.